In this video, we will complete the rest of the Aspire program tools, and we will start from the beginning of this tool. The first three tools are different shapes of the mouse. This is the natural shape of the mouse. Let us assume, for example, if you select, the shape of the mouse will change. If you want to return it to the original shape, click on this icon, or right-click to return to the normal form. The next icon. This is node point mode. Instead of pressing the letter N, I can press this icon, select the shape I want, then click on this icon and the dots appear, or select the shape and press the letter N. The next icon, if I want to control the dimensions of the drawing or move it from its place. Click on the icon and then start moving the drawing, such as controlling this square, or this square, or from center, then start moving. The next two icons. The first four, group, and the second four, ungroup. Group means one block, not one line. The two lines move together. If I select them, they will be selected together. Normally I select each line separately. If I choose this tool, it is as if I am linking them together. If I select one of them, the second line is selected automatically. If I move them or delete them, they will be together in everything. If I want to return them to normal mood, click on the next icon, ungroup. Why use a tool like this? If I have a drawing that I want to move from one place to another, to prevent not selecting part of the drawing, so I select the entire drawing and make them group, so they become one block. If I select any point in the drawing, the entire drawing will be selected with me. This is a measuring tool, but it shows the dimension on the screen. For example, this dimension equals 97.974, and its angle is 16. But do not write. As soon as I exit the tool it disappears. The next icon. Suppose I have two intersecting shapes. I want to delete the intersecting part between them. So I select the two shapes, then click on this icon, and it deletes the intersecting lines. If I want only the intersecting lines between the two drawings, I select the two shapes and then click on this icon. The outer part is deleted, and the intersecting lines between them remains. If you want this part and delete the other part of it, select the first shape, then the second, using Shift, then click on this icon. If you want the opposite, select the second shape first, then Shift, then the first shape, then this tool. The next tool is the delete icon, trim. Meaning, let's assume that I have a circle in which there are many lines. I want to cut all the outer lines. Select the lines I want to trim by pressing Shift, then Line. After that, I select the part I want to trim with it, whether inside or outside. If I want to cut the outer lines and leave the inner ones, I choose this icon and then Clear. If you want the opposite, choose the second icon, then Clear. The next icon is Scissors, Interactive Vector Trim. It has many uses, but the Scissors tool cuts the line to its first intersection. For example, if you want to cut this line, it cuts it to the intersection. If I wanted to cut a whole part, suppose I have a form like this. If you use the icon tool, it will cut this whole part. If I want to cut this part only, press N, then select the shape. Let the cut start from here. Right-click, then choose Cut Vector, to this point. Right-click, then choose Cut Vector. Then I select the part I want to delete and then delete. There is a feature in the scissors tool which is that the lines that are cut are joined automatically, but do not be too precise. The drawing may be distorted slightly. This icon, to create curves in the shape. For example, this is a sharp angle, and I want to make this angle curved. Click on this icon, then click on the curve. Thus, the tool creates a curve for the sharp shape. I can control the radius of the curve by making it larger or smaller. Thus, the tool made its radius 20. The next icon. This icon extends the line straight until it meets the line in front of it, so if I wanted to extend this line to meet this line, select this tool, then select the line that I want them to meet. If I want to extend this line, I must put an end to it, because it has no opposite line. This is the joining icon, but it will be explained in another video. These three icons. Select the shape of the intersection between the lines. I want to make the two lines intersecting, but in a straight line. Select the two lines and then choose this tool. If I want to make the two lines intersecting, but with a curve, then use this tool. If I want to make the two lines intersecting, but they will move from their place, I select the two lines and then choose this tool.